Good morning, everyone. Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. I think my body is trying to do what it does about every 3 or 4 years, where it wants to go back on graveyard shift. I've been having a tough time getting to sleep early at night. And, so it was another 4 o'clock in the morning. Finally go to sleep now. Anyways, I got some great news here at the end. Particularly a live stream coming up tonight on my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound. We'll talk about that at the end. But for right now, let's get on the exercising here and see how well I do today. Okay, did 26 minutes, hit 202 calories. Whew. Alrighty, that's just on the Gazelle. So I would have gone farther, but my left knee starting to act up a little bit, even though that is low impact. got to start taking the glucosamine twice a day, not just once a day. All right, so things coming up here tonight on Camp Patton Family Compound. At the very end will be a link over to the channel. In the last 20 seconds, it'll pop up there. The topic tonight over there on the Monday Night Fireside Chat is Dutch ovens, ways to cook in them. So we're talking about Dutch ovens and the different types of Dutch ovens, the ways to cook in them, ways to protect them, and we'll also go a little bit to the side there and cover just talk about regular cast iron cookware, cooking outside and stuff on it as well. All right, so that's what's coming up. Reminder on Saturday, we have Doc Bones and Nurse Amy here on Camp Patton Family Compound. Authors of the Emergency Survival Medicine Handbook, the essential guide for when help is not on the way. This is the 4th edition. Doc Bones and Nurse Amy will be on there, and we'll be talking about different things that a survival group, prepper group, whatever you want to call it, medic needs to know, and other members of the group needs to know as well, because what happens if the medic gets hurt? So that's going to be talking about that on Saturday. We're also including in that is things to deal with that you can't get to the hospital for a while and it's not going to help you, such as kidney stones. Alrighty, so those are some of the things coming up. We've got some other good things coming up as well. You know, on the live streams, we cover, at the end of the live stream, we cover what's going on for the next week on both channels, and give you a little preview so you can do it. Now, here on Gray Man Prepping, YouTube's been shadow banning me. They've not been putting out the notifications for the live streams. They haven't been putting commercials or ads on any of the regular videos such as this one. And they've been limiting the number of videos, number of ads on the live streams, which is better than, I'd rather have them just put all the ads on these other ones. But, example, this last Saturday, Survival Saturday, I had 8 people in there till Dr. Paula came in, and then she linked it to her channel, and so in the first half hour, I had about 8, 9, maybe 10 at the most at the beginning showing up. And then when she linked it to hers, picked up another 22 people coming in just off of her channel. And so YouTube doesn't like the truth getting out. You know, they don't like the narrative of self-reliance. So they're hitting this channel pretty hard and trying to keep people from watching it. So if you can share out these videos and stuff, I'd appreciate it. It would help get the message out there and hopefully override YouTube shadow banning, because more people just go and start watching it anyways. Then they will, hopefully the AI will go, oh, we need to go ahead and let it go out. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill, even if that skill is gardening indoors in the wintertime. Try to get something growing. See you around.